What's happening? What's Mama making? What? Did you say something? Oh, you did? Well, what do you think of this? Oh, no, not for you. Okay, come here. Are we gonna do cooking with barking dogs? What? Yes, what? Talk to me. Look what Mama has. What do you think? Look, uh-oh, something fell. My husband does not like onions, so you know what? We are going to add extra onions. Do you think you'll notice? Cumin is fragrant, healthy, and really adds to your flavors. Something's going on over there that you can't see, but it is a little chaotic. And that's why you're here, isn't it? to see cooking with barking dogs. Well, my son's dog moved out with my son recently, so Sully is just a visitor. Where's my barking dog? What, Ginny? Cooking with barking dogs. Now, what is this little thing? This is called Ginny's Nami dance. Can you see her? Come on over here. This is called the Nami dance. Right? Okay. So what's going on over here, ladies?
I'm doing it.
Yes.
Jump. Okay.
It's called Nami dance. Hold it up and say, Nami dance. Okay, so I hear you bark. Do you bark? May I hear that again? All right. Cooking with barking dogs. That's why you tuned in, isn't it? Well, that's what you're getting. Cooking with barking dogs. We having fun yet? Probably don't even care about the recipe. You just want to see chaos. Oh, you're getting chaos now. Okay. Hey, kids. Thank you. Well, thank you for barking and creating chaos, because that's what our viewers want to see, isn't it? What? What happened to the cook?
What?
There was a cook over there. Who are you? Why are you cooking my food? And who's your friend? Oh, we're ready to serve, so what I'm going to do is take those shells out of the oven. They're ready to go. Call in the guests. Call them in, we're going to serve, and bon appetit. Cooking with barking dogs. Music Mama's signing out.